Hey there, everyone. This is Eric with Dent. You know, one of the most common questions we get over the phone is, how much does our dent repair services cost? And the truth is, it's very hard to tell you that without seeing your vehicle in person. Just like if you were to call a body shop and ask them the same thing over the phone, they're not going to be able to tell you much of anything, right? They're going to want you to bring it in so that they can see the vehicle in person. So we're very much similar in that aspect. But come up here soon. There'll be more videos to follow that will not only show you how we assess damage on your vehicle, we'll also show you how we price it. And that will make you more informed as a customer and more aware of the pricing involved. Maybe even give you an idea of what some damage on your vehicle might cost. Click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, call us 828-217-2348. Thanks.